everyone, so I'm here with Stuart Angell from IVDology.
Yes.
IVDology, so mainly we are talking about IVDR, I
Correct.
suppose, or IVD, in vitro diagnostic product. So we are here at Medica. So Stuart, I wanted to ask you, so first, thank you for the interview.
You're welcome.
And I wanted to ask you mainly why Medica and why it's interesting for IVDology here to be here at Medica.
Yeah, thank you. So this is our second year at Medica.
Okay.
So we find it important because this is really where we can start to engage with our potential customers and our current customers in terms of how you get through IVDR, what are the challenges, what are the opportunities that we can work together to try and iron out so we can really help the industry really understand and work towards IVDR compliance.
So are we here talking also a lot about education also, so it's really that?
Absolutely, I mean it really starts with education. So we need to help people understand from really the earliest opportunity. So we work with startups as well as the more established companies, really help them kind of get an idea of what the benefits are of IVDR and also within the UK as well. So we kind of help them at least understand the regulatory pathway and what they can do to meet that compliance.
And about IVDR mainly, so what's the situation actually? Because we have MDR that was first, then IVDR came, so do we have some traction, or we have still some people that are like, oh no, we have still some time before we can go to IVDR?
Yeah, I think it's fair to say that there has been some challenges. We know that. That's been here for a couple of years, and we're starting to see more challenges coming through. But I think there is still optimism in the market. People are still wanting, the CE mark still wanting to maintain access in the EU. So I guess it's more about the clarity and reducing the risk, right, in terms of compliance. Just making sure that people really understand what technical documentation is, how you get through IVDR compliance with the quality management system. So it's bringing the expertise that we are starting to see now under IVDR. The more people understand it and get through that compliance hurdle, we can start to connect best practices and try and inform the industry in terms of how to go forward.
Great, and in terms of notified bodies also, so we have, I think, 12, if I remember, notified bodies. So do you think now it's enough, or we are still struggling?
We always welcome more.
Okay.
What we're doing is we're trying to really connect with them. There has been some resource issues, that's well understood. I think they are starting to relax that, starting to offer more opportunity, more connections with the industry. I think we could do more collectively to match up the right notified body with the right manufacturers, and I think that's starting to come. There is still challenges, there is still delays, there is still waiting times that really need to be compressed, but that will only come with engagement and communication with them. And what would you recommend for people when they are coming to present, because if they want to present their service like a consulting service at Medica, what would be your learning now to some people that want to come here to be ready and to make it the most efficient? I think it's a really good opportunity. You have people that are coming through from all elements of the diagnostic sector, from startups through to established, and it's just listening to their opportunities and their challenges and having that collective understanding. And so having a stand here has been hugely beneficial because we are here, we have a presence, and they can come and see us, and connected with our social media presence we have currently, it just supplements that. So it's a really good opportunity to meet people that we always do it on Teams, right, or we do it on LinkedIn, but actually having that face-to-face discussion just means that we can be more engaging and really understand their challenges and then help them understand the opportunities.
Great, and I think it's also great because mainly everybody is here, so all the world is here, so then it's a good point to say let's meet because we know we are all at the same point at the same moment.
Absolutely, and it's really positive, right? There's a really positive vibrancy about it. Everyone is wanting to know, everyone is wanting to connect, and it's a really great atmosphere to do that and make connections throughout the whole industry and throughout the world.
Great. Thank you, Stuart. It was really great. Thanks for your help.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.